2015 Honda Civic SE. It has 4 cylinders, 1.8 liters. You can view the auto check report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. I'm going to go ahead and pop the trunk so when we get over there I can show you the trunk. There's the trunk, and the seats can fold down. Open it up if you need to cart skis or snowboard or any other longer items. There's plenty of space to do that. I will zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. Let's go inside. Here's the back row. See, there are no tears anywhere. It is black fabric. Here's the passenger seat. And this display screen is where your backup camera is. Also, if you're turning right, it shows you what is right. Oh, let me shut the door. Help keep you safe to watch for those blind spots. There's your climate control, and then down here you have the HDMI, USB, and the 12-volt port. And then inside the middle console, another USB option. There are no caution or warning lights. Sorry, the sun's a little bright today. That is where your odometer and fuel gauge. And then down here, you have your RPMs. It is equipped with Eco Drive, power locks and power windows, volume control, phone controls, cruise control. And then this Honda has a rebuilt title. If you are looking for a sedan that gets excellent gas mileage, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!